Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equation using graphical method. We have x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 using graphical method. Then we say solution, we have to write x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Writing this equation as a function, it will change to y equals to x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now we have to write table of value. We take table of value and we take range of, let's choose range of -5 less than equal to x less than equal to 0 as our range. Now we have to draw table of value. The table of value, we have x and y. Y is the equation, which is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now we draw the table of value. Now we have drawn the table of value, which is x in range of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0. Now we want to find the value of y. When x is -5 equals to -5, what will be y? Y equal to, we substitute -5 in place of x in this question, which is -5 all squared plus 5 minus 5 plus 6. And when we do this, we have y equal to -5 squared will give us 25. -5 times 5 gives us -25 plus 6. Our answer is plus 25 minus 25, cancel out, left with 6 as the answer. We come back and write it here. Then when s is equal to -4, we have y is equals to -4 all squared plus 5 times -4 plus 6. This will give us y equals to -4 squared gives us 16. 5 times -4 gives us -20 plus 6. Then when we add up this, our answer will be 2. 16 minus 20 gives us -4 plus 6 gives us 2. We come back and write it here. Then we take when s is equals to -3, we have y is equals to -3 all squared plus 5 times -3 plus 6. This will give us -3 squared gives us 9. 5 times -3 gives us -15 plus 6. When we add up this, we have 0. We come back and put 0. Then we continue when s is equals to -2, y is equals to -2 all squared plus 5 into -2 plus 6. This will give us -2 squared gives us 4. 5 times -2 gives us -10 plus 6. And the final answer will give us 4 minus 10 gives us -6. -6 plus 6 gives us 0, which is 0. Then we take x equal to -1. When we do that, we have y equals to -1 all squared plus 5 times -1 plus 6. And this will give us -1 squared gives us 1. 5 times -1 gives us -5 plus 6. And when we add this, 1 minus 5 plus 6 gives us 2. We write 2 down. Then we continue when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, we have y is equals to 0 all squared, which gives us 0, plus 5 times 0, which gives us 0, plus 6, which gives us 6. As the answer, we put 6. Without wasting much time, from the table of value of y are 0. Then what is the value of x? The value of x there is x equal to -3, -2. That is the solution of this equation. And it's telling us that at this point, the curve crosses the x-axis at point -2 and -3. when y is equal to 0. Now let's plot the graph. Now let's use this table of value to plot this graph. We call this y-axis, and we call this x-axis. Now this is the midpoint, which is 0. Every 2 balls, we take it to be 1 unit. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 1, minus 1. We have minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and so on. We have here 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to plot minus 5 against 6. We have minus 5 against 6, that is this point. Then we have minus 4 against 2 is this point. Then we have minus 3 against 0, that is where it touches y-axis. Minus 2 touches 0 at x-axis. Then we continue. We have minus 1 at point 2 and 0 at point 6. Then the graph will be, or the curve will be this. Don't mind my hand. This is the curve, and we call this curve to be y equal. Then we call this curve to be y equals to x squared plus 5x plus 6. The answer to this question is that the curve cuts x-axis at x equal to minus 2, minus 3 as the solution. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.